So hello friends, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. So I am director of Pulse IAS Academy and my phone number is 9596662695. Okay, and our academy is located at 9BC Gandhinagar Hospital Road, Jammu. So friends, today's topic you must have seen in the caption itself, and that is how to make short notes. Okay, how to make short notes, also called as encryptic notes for IAS examination. Okay, this is our topic today, and we shall start it right now. Now, friends, many of the students ask me that's how to make notes for IAS, and the usual reply is that whenever you are reading from a source, from a text, you have to jot down the important things like dates, events, personalities, etc., or by your hand on the notebook. Okay, right? Now, a problem arises that how much to write and how much to leave. Okay, for example, you are reading one page, and out of this one page, let us say half the page is very important to remember. Okay, so in the next page, again half the page is very important to remember, and same is the case with the third page. Now, what should be your strategy? Should you write half of each page in the notes you are making, or you should write down only one fourth of the one page? Okay, so what should be your strategy? Now the thing is, my simple answer to you is this: make your notes as short as possible. Okay, make your notes as short as possible. And why? The question is why? Because short notes are easy to revise, number one. Short notes are easy to revise when you have an examination in the prelims stage or in the mains stage the very next day. So, if you have an exam the very next day, or day after tomorrow, or 2 days after tomorrow, so you need very short notes. Okay, suppose you have read tens of books for mains examination, okay, for IAS. Now, for from those tens of books, you should have made a simple notebook. If you are able to revise from that notebook in a short span of time and complete that notebook within one day, it means that you have studied those tens of books in one day. Provided, I repeat, provided you have made those notes in a very smart manner. Now, what is this smart manner? Okay, this thing until now you must have understood that the notes should be as short as possible. I repeat, the notes should be as short as possible. But I also told you notes should be short, but but the condition is this: the notes should be prepared in a very smart manner. In a very smart manner. Now, what is this? The smart manner? Let us discuss. Okay. For example, you have studied. You have studied different centers of revolt of 1857, and you can make a short table in which you can write the year, okay, in which you can write the place of the revolt, the revolt is suppressed by which general, okay, the revolt is mainly fought by which Indian leader, okay, who won at that place, like this. In simple tabular form you can write this whole event of revolt of 1857 and their leaders. Similarly, in every subject, for example, you are studying Indian polity, and you are making short notes, so you should make notes in such a manner, in a coded manner, but you should also remember the codes. If you do the encoding process in making the notes, and you forget the encoding forget the encoding too, then it is not a it is not a smart way of making notes. Okay, the encoding should be in such a process that it is remembered by you always. It is remembered by you always. Okay, you know the cramming you used to do in your small classes. Okay, you used to remember the things from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or you used to make these acronyms like uh, acronym for water cycle was in increase, like this and that. Okay, so you should remember the dates in increase, remember the events in a chronological manner. Okay, so everybody has his or her own way of making notes. Remember this: your notes and your friends notes will never be the same, because you have a different personality, you have a different educational background. Okay, and your way of making notes is must be different from others, but you should make the notes in your own way, which is smart. It should not be the thing that you are making notes today in a smart manner, in a precise manner, and after 1 year, when you revisit the notes, you have forgotten the coding given to the notes. You have forgotten, like, in which reference these things were written. Okay, for example, you have made notes from a particular book. You have made notes from a particular book, and you forget from which book you had made the notes. Okay, so you should make notes and write down there that these particular notes are from this book. In the next page, if you are making notes from some other book, you should mention the book's name, you should mention the book's page number, you should mention whatever is important. Okay, so that you can refer later on. Okay, and you can also make use of these sticky notes like this is sticky notes. You can take out one leaf out of this sticky notes. Okay, and you can stick it anywhere. A paste is adhesive material is there in this, and you can paste it and write something on this like this, that for example revolt of 1857, and you can paste it on the in the notebook in the particular page. Okay, so these things are available in the market. You can make use of highlighters, you can make use of colors. Okay, so different colors are available in the market like this one. Okay, and 12 types of colors are available in this pen. Okay, so you can make use of these different colors, and you can make very smart notes. You getting me? For example, you can write dates with blue color, you can write names of important persons with green color. Okay, so that they are easily remembered. And there is one psychological study also which says that the colored material is easier to remember than the material in black and white form. Okay, you getting me? That is, colorful material is more easy to remember. Why? Because it is a feast to the eyes. It looks good to the eyes, it appeals to the eyes. That is why our mind likes it, and whatever our mind likes, it remembers. It likes to remember, basically. It likes to remember it, isn't it? So this is the thing, right? So I was saying that the process of making the notes should be simpler one. That is number 1 point. Okay, let us revise. The first point is that the notes should be very as short as possible, as short as possible. And number 2, they should be made in a very smart manner, in a very smart manner, right? So these two things are to remembered by you. to be remembered by you. Okay, and what else is remaining in this discussion? Okay, I also told you that you should make use of these sticky notes and colors and highlighters to make the notes appeasing and all that. Okay, so for now, bye. And if I get something else to tell you, then I will discuss the same topic in some other lecture also in part second. But for now I think this much information is sufficient. If we will have some other time, I will discuss this thing in part second of this video. Thank you for watching.